Good evening, people watching this video. Right now, I have the return of the mini lightsaber thing. But that is beside the point. I am talking to you today because I have something to tell you. Nose pain makes me sneeze. I'm going to have to create an intro. I don't have an intro yet. I will have to work on that. Oh well. Da 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 da. Me. There. You have my intro. I'm probably gonna forget that in the next couple minutes. But anyways, I'm using this as my light source for right now. So, as I was saying, for some odd reason, whenever something happens to my nose, like what the heck? Stop! No, it's flickering. God dang it! Oh, there you go. Whenever something like happens to my nose, like something painful, like if somebody poked me with a needle, I would sneeze. Like sometimes I have little bumps on the outside, right here, like see right there, a little red dot. That's one. And so sometimes when I like pick at it, I don't know why I do that. It's just habit. See here, right here, other places around my face. Anyways, whenever I pick at places like right here on my nose, like the very outside, whenever I feel a sharp pain, it makes me sneeze. I don't know why. Maybe science has something to do with this, or maybe it's just me. Maybe nobody else does it. Anyway, here's an idea. If the last video got lots of views and stuff, that means that I'm becoming more popular. And if you guys are watching me right now, then good for you. I want you to comment and tell me whether you think that it is just me, or whether that happens to you too. When you, something happens to the very outside of your nose, like right here, around the edge of your nostril, if you sneeze afterward. Anyways, should you like my lightsaber thing? I do. It's so fun. Nom nom. Anyway, I hope you liked the video, and you should comment, rate, and if you haven't already subscribed, then you might want to subscribe if you want to. Not forcing you to do anything, just if you want to subscribe, you can. Anyways, have a nice day, and I shall see you guys later. Bye.